Now, if you own your copyright, say you are a book writer or you are a dramatist, you're a playwright, what exactly are you licensing to your publisher or your theatrical producer? In the publishing, the traditional publishing agreement sample, the author grants to the publisher for the term, as defined below, the exclusive right to reproduce, publish, distribute, transmit, sell, and otherwise make available, collectively defined as publish, the full-length work in the territory, in the languages set forth below and in the formats as defined below. And here these days, it's very frequently that a publisher, a traditional book publisher, is also going to want the rights to publish a digital copy, an e-book of any particular book. So that language often gets grafted into these agreements as well. So example, to digitize and transfer the work into verbatim text, electronic, digital, audio, or other media as necessary to publish the work, and to sublicense any of the foregoing rights pursuant to terms of section blank, whatever this agreement. Now, I draw your attention to the term into verbatim text, electronic, because we want to make clear that this is not authorizing the publisher here to create any other digital derivative work of the book. They're not allowed to do anything under this provision other than digitize and make the work into a verbatim text in e-book translation. Here it also provides for audio rights, and sometimes you may not want to, a book writer may not want to transfer the audio publishing rights directly to their traditional publishers. They may want to retain those rights themselves. This again, we're looking back to the copyright bundle of rights. Your rights to have your work made into an audio book is a separate right than the authorization to publish the book in a traditional publishing. Now here you may want to retain the audio rights and license them yourself, depending upon if you think that you have the ability to get a better deal for yourself than your traditional publisher might. Or if you're not dealing with a traditional publisher, if you're dealing with a hybrid publisher or an indie publisher who may simply not have great contacts to make an audio contract for you, again, you may want to retain those rights. So you're going to look at exactly what rights are you licensing your publisher to exploit and what rights you're retaining.